guys, you are watching Tuckle's Tech Toys. We are going to be taking apart a Roomba today. I have a screwdriver and I'll show you how to fix it if your Roomba's not working. Let's start by flipping it over and screwing in a 4 screws. I just got my screwdriver fixed. That is probably why you saw the dark screen. Either way, I just said flip it over and then screw the 4 screws out and put them in whatever case you have. It's difficult. That's probably not kid appropriate, but I just said it. Well, you're not kid appropriate, but no. 4 screw. Oh, that was just the way it goes. I like making videos. This is difficult. So I'm probably not kid appropriate, but I think it's just good. So guys, I have an itchy head. Okay, have one more screw, guys, right? You guys should have one more screw. If you won't follow into this, that's fine. You will restart this video for you. But I think you guys will follow in. So, if you have 5 screws, that means you're taking apart a real Roomba. And we're not supposed to be taking apart it. Okay. Need to do this last screw. And then we'll be ready to see what's at the bottom. There might be lots of wires, and always ask grown-up to pull wires out because you guys don't want to get electric shot, and I don't want that to happen because I love you guys. Wow. Okay. Might be more bigger in the owl kids, so I might. Oh, there's no wires, just a couple, but this is literally what the top of the bottom looks like. This is what a literally the top of the bottom looks like. This is what a real bottom looks like now. You have this screw and that. And then you have the wheels, but don't come apart. But they do work. That's how a Roomba goes. And then you have a button what just goes out like this. This is a button, and then this is how your Roomba should look. And then if you have a white Roomba and you took a cat off of it, please send that white cat Roomba to us, because you will also take that one apart too. But just this is how you did it. So, guys, I'm going to put this back together now. Wait. Oh, almost got it. This is difficult again. Sorry I said that, guys. Oh, phew. Shoot. I have to put this back together again. Okay, going now. Guys, if you have a light Roomba, please send it to us because we really like reviewing them. Okay. Almost. Oh. Oh. Now you have to install a 4 screws. Put your screw onto your screwdriver before you put it in. And then you just have to twist it till it's too hard, and then keep doing, and then repeat the same process again, over and over 3 more times, and then you will be ready to test it out. But one more thing, what you have to do at the end, press your button down. Press it down really hard till it makes a quick noise, and then you will be ready to turn it on. Guys, if you have itchy hands, you can't watch my videos, guys. Okay, I'm just kidding. Guys. iRobot Box has been sitting with us all day. Almost done. Okay, one more thing. What's that?
All right, let's see it.
And then, are you ready, guys? This is a new part. Ready, Dad? See ya, guys? That is how you put take apart a robot vacuum. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget, you guys are watching Tucker's Tech Toys.